Min Yoongi, known as Suga BTS, is a member who is known for his very quiet personality in several circumstances. In BTS interviews and at moments on BTS shows, Suga is often quiet and only a few times talks a lot, and that rarely happens. The idol, who is under the auspices of HYBE labels, is indeed quiet, but he has another personality behind that nature. Suga has a funny side, but he's also very scary when he's angry. In one of the BTS videos where the members gather, Suga even kicks V's front body for bullying him. In addition, Suga also openly said that he is a sensitive child and will bite when angry. Suga's words were re-shared by BTS fan accounts and made ARMY BTS fans comment on this. Suga's habit of biting his opponent when he is angry is actually very scary because he is known as a quiet member. Jungkook BTS even once said that the only Hong who never scolded him was Suga, but apparently that doesn't apply to anyone other than Jungkook. The man who also introduced himself as August D turned out to be someone who could be scary angry even though he looked indifferent